Have you ever wanted to sneeze, but have not learned the skill set to be able to do it? Perhaps you can sneeze, but just want to improve the sound of it, or even the frequency, just like how often you sneeze. Well, look no further. All of your questions and much more will be answered in this video as we look at how to sneeze. First of all, we need to know what sneezing is, so let's answer this following question. What is sneeze? Sneezing is when you go achoo and wet snot sprinkles out your nose cavities. Sometimes it forms clumps as well, so it's just lucky dip as to what comes out your nose. So now that we know exactly what sneezing is, we still need to answer this following question, which is also really important. Where can sneeze? Well, you can sneeze anywhere you like, really. It all depends what you intend to gain from the sneeze. Perhaps you tend to be quite lonely and want others to notice you. In this case, you want to be sneezing as close to somebody as possible, such as in an elevator full of people or in somebody's bed. For the best results, you definitely want to be sneezing directly into somebody's face, and that is sure to give you their full attention and make them notice you. Other important perks of sneezing could be if you're feeling sleepy or tired. Sneezing is sure to wake you up in that particular moment in time, so I definitely recommend sneezing if you're, say, at school, or you're at work, or even driving a vehicle. As you can see, sneezing has many important aspects to it, but how do you actually sneeze? Well, in order to find that out, we need to answer the following question. How do you actually sneeze? There are several different ways that you can actually achieve a sneeze. The first way will be to find something that you're allergic to. Perhaps you are allergic to animal hair, but if you don't have a pet of your own, what are you to do? Well, why not try going to a local park and finding some animals in there? Maybe you'll come across like a squirrel or like a dog, and what you want to do is chase after that animal. Just run really hard like this, and then once you've caught it, then hold on to it like this, and then bring it close to your face and put the hair directly into your nose like this, and then just inhale like that, and that should bring about a sneeze. But what if you don't have any allergies? Well, there are other techniques that you can try. Getting tickled. Yes, some people will end up sneezing if they get tickled. So I'm just going to show you a quick example of how that works. So, just going to tickle myself. Ooh, yes, I'm feeling it. Oh, not quite. But any longer and I'm sure I would have snoozed. The other option you could try is getting yourself a cold. Once you have a cold, you'll just be sneezing on the regular without putting any effort into it. So I highly recommend getting yourself one of those and catching it from someone else who has it. And then you'll just be sneezing like there's no tomorrow. The final way is by using dust. Now, if you're anything like me, then being a slob and not cleaning or tidying your room is sure to bring about lots of dust. Then it is just a case of grabbing a clump of dust and snorting it through your nose like this, and you'll be sure to be sneezing in mere seconds afterwards. Right, so we now have all the ingredients we need in order to be able to sneeze, but we have one final question that we need answering. What is an example? Give like an example. So I'll now give you a visual example of a sneeze, so that you can see how a professional does it. So here we go. Just like that. Oh, another one's coming. And that one was a bit louder. so you can fine tune your sneeze to your liking. And that was just a demonstration, so just keep practicing and you'll get the sneeze that you desire. And that completes the how to sneeze tutorial. If there is any other medical advice that you need help with, but it doesn't have to be medical advice, it could be anything, just please make sure to consult myself first and then maybe consult a doctor afterwards. I'm now going to try and perfect the art of sneezing so that I can boost my confidence and self-esteem in a social environment. So I'll catch you all later, so see you. Oh yes, this is going to work. Excuse me, do you mind? You're making noise. Oh, I'm spreading germs as well. I'm so sorry. I'm just completely allergic to the nonsense that you've been going on about in this video. So sorry. Achoo.